Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper Unit 2, question number 3, part C. Here we have been asked to prepare an extract from the cash budget for the Jan 2024 to April 2024 showing the amount paid for labor for each month in pounds. So here in the first two parts we had prepared the projected revenue that's going to be made by the business. What is the amount of production they have to do in order to get that sale quantity achieved. Okay, and the third part is to prepare the cash budget for the labor payments. Now here they have given additional information. The standard labor cost for one rug is 2.5 hours. Okay, for one rug, the cost for one rug is 2.5 hours of labor at 9.6 per hour. So this is the standard costing for making one rug. Okay, one rug takes 2.5 hours of labor and they are going to be paid 9.6 per hour. So that is going to be equal to 24 pounds. Okay, 2.5 into 9.6. So that is what is the amount you have to pay them. Okay, it takes 2.5 hours to make one rug and they are being paid at 9.6. Okay, now then whatever the quantity they are going to produce in that month, okay, we had calculated here. This is a quantity they need to produce for the month and what is the cost you are going to pay them. So that's going to give you the labor cost, right? So first one here, this is going to be the production quantity, okay, that needs to be produced, and okay, and then you have to pay them, okay, labor cost, okay, labor cost, and then you will calculate the total labor paid for that month. Okay, for the entire quantity you are going to produce. Okay, for one rug this is the cost, but you are going to make so much of quantity. So the first one is 2340. So let's put it here from the production budget. Okay, the quantity that needs to be produced for Jan was 2340, then it was 2160 for February. So you are just going to fill up from the previous. So then for the March, 2320, and then for the April it is 2040, and then you have 24 pounds that needs to be paid to the labor because it's the same for one rug. Okay, that is a cost, 24 pounds. So for one rug, so then now let's multiply to say how much is the total labor cost paid for each month. Okay, the total labor cost, okay, for each month. So 2340 times 24, that is 56,160. Then for the February, 2160 times 24, that's going to be 51,840. And then for the month of March, it is 2320 times 24, that is equal to 55,680. So it is 55,680. And then for the April, it is 2040 times 24, that is equal to 48,960. So that is the labor cost for A part.